Oh, I got a new message from USCIS. No, so what are we gonna do?
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning. Morning. Iwan ko kung saan ko to igalay. Ito talagang asawa ko. Kung bibili ito, matagal na daw ito, 2018. And binili niya, tinago sa basement doon sa isang bahay. So ngayon, nakita, bili ng bili, maraming bumili, hindi kalimutan na bumili, tinago, nakalimutan, bumili pa ng iba kasi kada wala. Binilhan si Biyanan. Si Biyanan lang yung iinom. Dalawa binili si Lok, nasira dalawa. Ignog po yan. Binili niya yan long time ago. Christmas daw. Doon pa sa isang bahay. Mahilig kasi si Biyanan sa mga ganito. Pero nung ano na siya, yung may sakit na siya, nag-iba. Kasi hindi na siya palagi umiinom. Bawal na yung liquid, maraming liquid. Hindi ko alam anong gawin ko. Tulog si Mr. So ngayon, magluluto tayo ng breakfast. Alam niyo yung gagawin ko, ang dami kasing container niya. Mahilig din ito sa container, itong tauhanan to. So maglaan ako ng mga 2 cabinet dito sa bahay. Na para container lang talaga. Roxine. Ngayon magluto tayo. Ay, nagkalus-lus-lus-lus. Gamitin natin tong itlog last. And ito isa. Gusto kong matry ito.
You ran up?
Huh?
You ran up?
A little bit.
Rock is something wet.
What do you want for your egg? Do you want it cooked with the onion and scallion or sunny side up?
I don't care.
Okay. Lagyan ng onion and then green onion. Masarap kasi ito sa egg. Ito siya. It's good for the egg. Look what I get on a different egg.
Right.
Yeah, because you know what? This is the healthier than this one is more oily, more like injected thing. And then nakita ko rin yung sister-in-law ko bumili nito. Mga ganitong egg. And then ito yung kay Tami Jumbo daw. Pero ito naman talaga. Pero bakit naman nanganganak yung nangingitlog yung manok na jumbo? Sige be, tignan nyo. Baka injected. Oh!
It's not even jumbo eggs.
Yes, Han. It's not jumbo. You love jumbo. Oh, this is a real egg. Not injected. Nothing. Look how... Oh, this is real. Look at this. This is the one that I've been missing. The white is not watery. The white is like mix of like orangey, yellowy, nicey. Honey, don't ya okay me. Look guys, look, it's nice.
Egg.
Oh, this is the egg. This is the Filipino egg. What? This is the Filipino
It's an egg.
Wow.
egg. Batil-batilo natin yun, guys. Alam nyo, masarap yung laing na binigay ng ano. Masarap siya. Akala nitong isa. Friday ngayon. Gusto kong magpunta sa isang bahay this week. One of these days. Yeah, gusto kong magpunta doon para makapag-start tayo ng ano. Oh, excuse me. Burnt. Kain, guys. Imoy. Oh, I got a new message from USCIS. Let me look here first. Let me enter.
He helped them all get away. Survivors told us this story.
What the heck, Han?
What?
Our son's a hero.
They denied my...
Proud of him.
What the heck?
Of him, of both our sons.
He could get a medal.
Could you just
No way.
not be a soldier for once? Be a father today.
Seriously? Do I look stupid to you?
Frank! But I got a message.
What does the message say?
I log in first. Before that, I can have... I need to wait for the code. Here's the code. Okay, it says, Dear maryannavitabile, regarding the status of you, to determine current process time. No, what the heck, honey? It's pending.
Stick to your duties, Captain. Speak to me.
Unexpired expenses. Sticker, but your extended stickers.
Please submit another inquiry.
Beautiful downtown is cold.
No, so what are we gonna do?
This is the bullshit. Their normal. It's in their normal time. What does their normal time go?
It's gonna be expired next month.
Because tomorrow,
I guess that's the only one, right?
I guess.
the LA
I guess I have to pick that.
You're in big trouble, soldier. What the hell are you doing in there?
10.5 to 12.5 months. They give you a 1-year extension, and it takes you more than a year.
As it loaded. You should keep those in your desk drawer.
So technically, they can stay in their normal time half a month after your thing expires.
So you think I can get that before this March end?
Doesn't look like it.
So I cannot get a stamp or what?
You can't do anything until they're outside their normal processing time. I don't know. You should call that number and tell them, look,
Why you crawled out?
Where's she from?
On your office. Because Tommy is on his laptop. What I'm gonna do while he's busy, I'm going upstairs, continue my vacuum, and probably edit also. But if he's not doing anything, I'm not gonna do anything.
Takes a long time for it to reorganize all.
Yeah, I'm not gonna say anything.
There's no green line on top?
Yeah.
Top? The green line says it's converted or everything, and then otherwise it's not ready.
I'm going to spray the beanbag also. Look. Okay guys, continue tayo sa paglilinis kasi kahapon kasi naglilinis ako doon pero hindi naman natuloy, hindi natapos. Pero at least tapos na yung table transfer. Ilagay ko to sa bag. Itong look, last year pa ito. Hindi ko pa natahi. Pero naputol na siya. Masusuot na natin ito. Hi. Kumusta naman ka?
What?
Kumusta naman?
Oops.
Hala, nagsasalita ka na?
Oh no.
Hala ka diha.
No.
Si Little Timmy, pinakauna-unang bigay ni Tammy. Ang pangit ni Little Timmy. It's me! Pwede na yan higa-higaan. Maliit siya tignan sa camera, diba? Pero, ang taas niya. Laki. Anyway, continue tayo. Finally, tapos na. Kasi nag-ano ito, sobrang kalat. Hindi ko na-arrange. Konti lang naman yung ano ko. Kasi tinapon ko na yung iba na matagal na hindi ko na talaga magagamit. Tinapon ko na sila. So, ito yung mga pangmata. Pangmata. Ito siya, nilagay ko lang ito dito. Pero yun, ito siya. Ito yung ano ko, arrangement ko ngayon. At nilagay ko ito dito yung ano, yung mga brushes. Kailangan kong labhan yung iba. Ito din, dito ko nilagay yung mga lipstick kasi may ano siya, hindi ko siya malagay dito kasi malaki. And tinatry ko yung, kasi may cover, diba? Tinatry ko yung cover na matanggal. So, hindi matanggal. So, dyan na lang siya. Andin yung mga sponges ko, dumi, labhan. Foundation ko, tinapon ko yung iba kasi hindi talaga sila, hindi ko na magagamit. Ito pa, hindi ko na, ito palaging nagagamit. Ito yung Superstay na Maybelline 24 hour na ano. Sobrang puti siya sa akin. Ito, gamit na gamit ko din ito. At lately, ito yung ginagamit ko talaga. Alam nyo yan. Wet n Wild. And dalawa yung Wet n Wild ko. Minimix ko silang dalawa kasi ito maputi. Ito, good for my, ano, yung skin tone ko ito. At ito naman is hindi ko din ito palaging nagagamit. Ito yung Fit Me Maybelline na ano, Dewy Smooth. And ito, tagal-tagal na to, hindi ko to itapon. Matagal-tagal na to sa akin, mga ilang taon na. Born This Way na Too Faced. So, mahal ito guys, hindi ko yan itapon, bahala sa Batman. Ito yung mga ano ko, yun. Ito mga foundation ito guys, sa spray, yung spray na makeup. Hindi ko nagagamit. And nilagay ko yung spray doon. I heard a lot of noise here. What is that all about?
Yes.
Oh my god, this is not supposedly going in here, hon. You know if that birds have a virus, hon, it can affect us because you put it here. You clean it outside, not inside. No, I mean you don't have to wash it badly.
Well, what happens is
You know there's a lot of viruses now in birds.
see the drain holes on the bottom of this thing?
Then scrape it outside.
And, well, it gets clogged up. I can't. I scrape it every time, but
We're gonna have corona here. Yung camera ko guys, accidentally changed the ano. But anyway. Oh my god, look at this. A lot of coronavirus here.
bird feed. Can't. It's all pumped up, and you can't put it in the drain because it'll.
You should be like doing it outside.
I do that all the time, hon, but it's not opening the holes enough, and the water.
You're like you're looking for more problem. You know they say that birds carry a lot of virus than anybody. So what the? Yeah, birds, especially they're outside. They're not injected.